Do you want a pet elephant? You must be thinking, how is this relevant to learning Bengali? Let's today talk about a phrase in Bengali which talks about keeping a pet elephant. Elephant is Hati. Hati. Posha has two meanings. In the sense of an adjective, Posha means pet. Adjectives go before nouns. So if we want to say a pet elephant, we will say Posha Hati. Posha in the sense of a verb means the act of keeping a pet. So if we say Haati Posha, it means the act of keeping a pet elephant. So make the distinction. Posha Hati is a pet elephant. Haati Posha means the act of keeping a pet elephant. Now the thing about Hatis are, they are huge maintenance, cost a lot of money to keep them. Which is why in earlier times they were kept only by kings or similarly wealthy people. Now in earlier times they were essential for warfare, but in modern times they are sometimes kept only for show off or fancy purposes. Which brings us to the modern day use of Haati Posha. Literally, Haati Posha means keeping a pet elephant, but it implies keeping something which consumes a lot of money without being of much use. And this thing might not mean an elephant. It can be used for anything which is not of any use, but it takes up a lot of resources. For example, তোমরা তো বাড়িতেই থাকো, এত দামি গাড়ি কি জন্য রেখেছো? শুধু শুধু হাতি পোষা। তোমরা তো বাড়িতেই থাকো, এত দামি গাড়ি কি জন্য রেখেছো? শুধু শুধু হাতি পোষা। You stay at home only. Why have you kept such a costly car? It is unnecessary expenses. Or you can use this one. তিনটে শহরে তিনটে ফ্ল্যাট মেইনটেইন করা কি সহজ? ও তো হাতি পোষার সমান। তিনটে শহরে তিনটে ফ্ল্যাট মেইনটেইন করা কি সহজ? ও তো হাতি পোষার সমান। Is it so easy to maintain 3 flats in 3 different cities? It's equivalent to keeping a pet elephant. So if you notice, in both sentences, it is implied that the thing which has been kept, like the car or the 3 flats in 3 different cities, are of not much use to the person who has kept them, but they drain a lot of resources from the person, which is why they are being equated to keeping a pet elephant, which in modern times does not give any value.